Are you ready to take your LearnDash course design to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to use the powerful LD_infobar shortcode to enhance navigation and provide a seamless experience for your learners. The LD_infobar shortcode is a LearnDash feature that displays useful navigation information such as breadcrumbs, progress bars, and more. It's a great way to guide your learners through courses, lessons, and quizzes. The LD_infobar shortcode accepts several parameters. Let's break them down. 1. Course_ID. Specify the ID of the course you want to display navigation for. This parameter is optional if the shortcode is placed within a course page. 2. Post_ID. Use this to target a specific lesson, topic, or quiz. It's ideal for showing breadcrumbs that reflect the learner's current position. 3. User_ID. By default, this shows data for the current user. However, you can enter a specific user ID to display the info bar as that user would see it. Let's see it in action. Imagine you're adding the shortcode to a course page. You'd use the following shortcode to show the info bar. Replace your course ID with your actual course ID, like this. If you're adding it to a lesson page, just specify the post_ID for that lesson. This will display navigation for course ID 1937. If post_ID is set to 1943, it targets a specific lesson, topic, or quiz. Leaving user_ID blank ensures the current user sees their progress. Now, you'll see the navigation bar on your course page, helping learners track their progress and navigate smoothly through lessons or quizzes. That's it. With the LD_infobar shortcode, you can transform how learners navigate your courses. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LearnDash tips.